Hi. Oh. Okay, so look at this, guys. Okay, so sorry for not talking. Okay, 1 sec. This like phone case that I bought. It's like so cool. I love the colors. Of course, like these were like I would get like 2 random colors, and I just have to get like pink and blue. My favorite color. Listen to this. So good. Like I know. Yeah, these are already like took out. Oh shit. These already took out of the box. These are like kind of took apart, so I could put my phone in it already. Stuff, you know. I got many chokers, like a lot. I got a pink choker. And then let me just show it all. Let me see. I don't know. Anyways, choker, of course. We love that shit. Yeah, pink choker, like black spikes. Look at the size of those spikes. I know they're not sharp. In case you're wondering, they're not sharp. They're very much safe. We love it. Love it. Yes. If I'm correct, it is fake leather. So don't worry about that. I would never buy real leather. And now, next choker is like a whole set of chokers. First one. I don't know if you can hear me, by the way. Sorry if you can't. It's like my first long form video with talking, so don't blame me, please. Look, these got like tiny and there's like a smaller. Can you see it? There, in front of my chest. You can like kind of see. They kind of look like butt plugs. They kind of look like plugs. Oh my god, crazy. I really like that. Yeah. Yeah, I like it. Anyways, that's one choker. Next choker. Next choker we got. Woohoo! It's like 3 minutes long, this video. Oh my god. Let's see. My mom is like playing music upstairs. Look at this. It's so cool. Like the heart is like it's like the same as the color itself. These got like this, so they all got like different things. This one you can just click it in there, and then you got a choker, yeah? And this one you got this square thing, and this one got a bigger thing with rings. My mom is playing the Final Countdown right now. Yeah. Let's take them all out. There we go. Next one. I really like this one because like the size of the metal part is quite big, but like not too big. I really like it. And it's very cute. Look at that. It's a kitty. Meow meow, bitch. It all like fit really well. You know? All fit really well. Here we got a really pretty heart. And these also like got this type of closure. button closure, I think. I don't know what it's called. I should know because it's because I do fashion school, so I should know it, but I don't, and I don't give a shit. I will learn it someday. Maybe on my own, maybe through school. Maybe I will never learn it, but I don't really care. Like, why should you know that? This one got like a ring. This boring. This like it's a boring ring. I mean, it's less boring, you know. Kind of less boring. Click, click. Attention. Click, click. Stay attention. Not anytime I'm just gonna make long form videos. I'm just gonna be click, click to keep y'all's attention, you know. So y'all don't lose attention on my videos. Yeah, fuck yeah. I'm gonna treat y'all like my pets, like children. Stay attention. Click, click. Yes, I think I am very funny. Like talkings, of course. Where does this open? Why does this open so long? That's stupid. And I'll make shorts of like when I try them out. I love this. I'm gonna like this like normal sock fabric. I also like I know there are a lot of thigh highs which are like more fragile and can't go into the washing machine. These can go into the washing machine, and they're also like really soft and comfy and like wool, you know. And of course we got them in blue. Guess what my favorite colors are? You'll never guess. I got like a pile of plastic over here. Don't worry, I'm gonna throw it away. I'm not gonna release it into the wild. I'm not that cruel, because I do know that there are people who actually like do that. It's just crazy to me. Like, blue stockings, of course, also wool, love it. And last but not least, meow meow bitch. These are more cat-like than I had expected though. But I mean, they're ears. They're white ears. I first only had black ears, now I got white ears also. You know? Anyways. Of course. Jingle jingle, jingle jingle. Like fucking cat. When I'm gonna be like a cat, I'm gonna do this, you know? They do all stink. I'm probably like gonna leave them somewhere to just like air dry maybe. Maybe just spray them with like a shit load of deodorant. Oh my god, I'm going to cry because these bells, they're already in my ears because I'm currently really tired and I get really sensitive to sound. So yeah, I don't like the sound. Anyways, the ears, last thing, fuck yeah. Click, click, attention, click, click. Good boy. Oh my god, fur, oh no. They're not bendable like my other ears, but like they're cute. Oh god, oh no. I really like put all the loose fur in the bag so I don't have fur all over my room. and stitch it, which I probably already do now. But let me just like see. Right. Honestly, they look quite good. Yeah. Yeah, I'm covering my face because like I don't want Sean to put a face to the voice, you know, or a voice to the face. Boo-hoo. And yeah, if you do want to put a face to the voice, you gotta watch both my shorts and my long-term videos. And I know long-term videos are like more rare to be watched than shorts. So like less people will put a voice to the face. Oh yeah, fuck you. And when I stream, I might sometimes talk. Usually I don't. Usually I use chat. Check me out on Twitch. I sometimes stream. I have only streamed twice so far. But yeah, I'm often like really busy with school and stuff. I don't really have much content to stream. So yeah. Click, attention. Click. Oh, big one. Click. Anyways, yeah, that was it. Have a nice day. Bye.